Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, this is my last day at Amazon, so I have entered the office and I'm going to the 11th floor, and this is Taurus 3. So now I am going to submit my laptop at Taurus 1. We can submit it in any of the buildings, but I've heard that the response in Taurus 1 is great, so I'm going there to submit it. After reaching there, I had my lunch with my sister and her colleague Ash. So before submitting the laptop, I drafted the thank you and goodbye email, and I shut down my laptop for one last time. Since mine is a work from home job, my team connected virtually a day before and they all greeted me good wishes.
Always be one among the top performers in our team. We will definitely miss one headcount, from the top performing lot.
After submitting the laptop, I sat down for a good cup of coffee, and these are some of the messages I got when I told them about my new beginnings. So here I am waiting for my cab to arrive and I am roaming around the building to pass some time. These are some of the great memories I had with my friends during my time at Amazon. I hope you guys like this video as I love filming it for you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.